This is my Mi Xiaomi Mobile. This is my Oppo Mobile. WhatsApp message notification not showing on Xiaomi Mobile. What? Let's see how to fix. What? The first method. Go to the Play Store and update your WhatsApp apps. WhatsApp message notification still not showing. If the first method doesn't work, you can try the second method. Wait, second method. Wait. Wait. Put it down there, did she? Yeah. This. The open door. She should have been about. Smart books. Yeah. But books. They can put books. But yeah. Books. Then how about one spot? What? From there, then I'm not right. Alright, see, how goes? Now set up your WhatsApp as a new apps. Hello, keep it. You can't move back. You will have to try. Oh, smile line. Now message notification is working.